Hello, this is Michael with Cruisability, and this video is about Paradise Lagoon in Cozumel, which is a part of the Mystic River and Paradise Lagoon Excursion. However, the cave swim doesn't allow photography, and because of traffic, we had very little time to eat, and so there wasn't anything to see there of consequence. But watch the video. It's beautiful, beautiful scenery, plus the fish underwater. Now, watch the video all the way to the end because there's a wonderful discovery in nature that you'll see at the end, and I encourage you to watch it.
I'm missing a tendon in this ankle. My ankle got dislocated in wrestling. So I have a very...
We are doing this slow ride back to the shore, which is probably a good thing because then there might be more people throwing out. But it's great.
That final home stretch, you're connecting to the Wi-Fi of the dock, dude. You feel the...
Okay, we did a long walk down a short pier, as it were, and the Mystic River people were waiting for us. We're standing in line, we've given them their tickets, so we are going to be heading toward the excursion shortly. And you're on the tour bus. Apparently, because there's fewer people, you may end up with a private tour, according to the lady, if I understood it correctly.
Yeah. And I think in the description it says this event is not expensive. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, does it say that? Okay.
On like the whole thing. I know it.
Now, we went in reverse order than what is usually done, simply because of the traffic that was horrible. Thought we were driving down I-45. Oh, almost. Almost. Some of this little rock, that was a step that, oh, they did want glasses, didn't they? It's definitely a little cool when you first get in, but at this point, be advised that you can't touch the bottom. So you have your life vest on, and that is it until we touch land here somewhere. Whoops, who's this? Oh, there's some, looks like some rocks over here that you can stand on.
I think it's going that direction now. So there's space down here if you want to get a picture.
Is it that video? Everything's fogged up for me.
Yeah. It's auto exposure.
There is a heron, a very big heron. Hola. ¿Tienes una cadena? ¿Y no tienes gente que no nade?
Pues traigo nada más a 2 y vienen aquí.
¡Ah, qué chido! Pues no, creo que ya pasamos lo peor. Ahorita que era esa corrientita,
¿Sí?
Ahorita de regreso ya va a ser más corta.
Bueno.
Muchas gracias.
Sí.
Do you see the bird? In the middle of bird. A gray bird.
Oh, wow. Yeah, Jacob, check that out.
Do you see it?
If the tree follow this branch in the water,
What kind of bird is that?
Heron. Gray heron.
Hello, bird.
They have like a really long neck. But now, it goes.
My nose keeps going in the water. I think it's because of my mustache.
I think it's your mustache, yes.
even though it says it's waterproof, I'd give it a break. Sure. There's also not much, like right here.
These rocks. Carrot heavy.
Yep.
You say this is fresh water?
Yeah.
We have the
'Cause
both water.
it's a mix.
Yes, maybe you see like a blurry or oily effect in the water.
Yeah.
That is the brackish or the haloclane. When the two waters found each other, they don't mix immediately. And that is like a chemical effect between the two waters, the fresh and the sweet. And that is the ending of a subterranean river. Just reaching this area, this place to the sea. We already done a very much workout. We already just defeat the current that is over there. From here to the next place is going to be way easier because we're going. But here is where we can see more big bluefish.
I can't tell if it was on because my glasses should be a red. There goes to come up.
All right, it's recording.
Oh boy. Yeah, that.
And this is where they exit.
And we go up the tree. All the way up there.
Oh, let's keep walking.
Termites.
Keep coming down the top.
You can see them go all the way down the tree.
The termites?
Yeah.
Look.
All right. So follow the trail.
Goes all the way up to there.
All the way up the tree.
Oh, this little mark here?
Yep. Follow it up. All the way. Keep going. Your bite need to turn around. Big old mound right up there in the tree.
Oh, right up there. Sure as heck. Look at that.
All right. Let's head towards the showers. Got your phone backwards.
Okay.